What's up, everybody? Back again. Thanks everybody for watching. A little something different today. This is a Cougar, a 1968 Cougar, but it's a special Cougar. It's a GTE Cougar, and it's got the 427 Sideoiler. It was a 427 car. Has the original engine block in it. It was factory Grecian Gold with nugget gold interior. Has its original door tag. And a lot of the original interior. Did not have front seats, so it's just got some 68 Mustang buckets in it. But it's got all the gauges. Was a console car. Got the tachometer. Original radio. XR7, it was an XR7 car. Shot at the floors. Headliner is actually in really good shape. It has the upper map light. Original steering wheel. Overall, the body's really straight on it. I'm sure somebody had done some body work in the past. It's got nice original trunk jams. Trunk floors aren't bad. There's a little spot there, a little spot there, and a little spot right there. Otherwise, got really solid trunk floors. All the panels really line up well on it. There's original styled steel wheels. It has the original wheels. Nice clean door jams. Again, the floor pans are actually in really good shape. All your door jams. We've got a lot of parts for it. A lot of parts you don't see on the car. I have like the rest of the body moldings, like these. I have the rest of those. Get a shot of the floor pans. I mean, the floors, they put subframe connectors on them, but they're just barely tack welded on, so that could be easily got back and off. Original hood and scoop. All the lights. Does have the factory dash tag. Have a Marty report for the car. Clear title. Let's see if we can get this hood open. So here's where it gets interesting. So that's the original 427 Sideoiler block, but it has been built. I mean built. It's got high riser heads, high riser aluminum intake. The engine is probably a lot for a street car. This engine have dyno videos and dyno sheets. Made 772 horsepower, naturally aspirated. You can see the car's overall very solid. It does have the original VIN under this fender and under that fender. Tons of money spent on the engine. You can see the cross bolts there for the mains. It's a C8 AEA casting number block. Yeah, let's see if you can see the Sideoiler passages. Might be hard to see. Let me see here. Yeah, you can see it. See it right there. That plug right there, that's the most forward oil galley plug. Engine's built, ready to go, already been dynoed, has a C6 in it, which is what should be in it. These are very valuable cars when they're done. This one has got a really good start. Overall, really good body. But yeah, it's a GTE Cougar. Very rare car. Car is for sale. You can call the number 304-731-6497. Today is December 22nd, 2023. Very cool car. Call with interest. It will be posted for sale very soon. Thanks for watching.